Hey guys, welcome back to Dayal Creations, and in this video I'll be talking about how can you edit your images like faded dark grunge edit. You have already seen that edits on Instagram also, so let's get started. For the dark grunge edit we need to add glitch effect into the image, but there are no any filter for glitch into PS Touch, so we will just create a glitch effect manually. So let's create it first. First of all, add your image into PS Touch. To do that, simply click on this plus icon and go to photo library. Then find that your image which you have to edit. Then open layers panel from here, and then using this plus icon take a duplicate layer of it. Then go to adjustment and here choose curve. Choose the red color here, select the top corner circle and take it down. Now hide this layer from here and choose bottom layer. Once again go to curve. Now using this icon you can reset your adjustment we have made. So let's reset it, and this time choose green one, take the top corner down. Repeat this process for blue color also. Once again open the layers panel. Now click on this layer icon and change the blending mode normal to screen. Now it's looking like it was before, but wait, let's make the last adjustment here. So go to this N option and here choose transform. Now here click on this 4 lines option and here choose pixel nudge. By using this tool we can move the image 1 pixel by 1 pixel. To use this, simply click on these 4 arrows. To move my image right, I will just click on the right arrow. So just move your image left or right a little bit. Now the glitch effect is created. Then go to layers and click on this icon and here choose merge visual. Now the duplicate image is merged into the first one. So let's add some effects. So go to this FX icon and then here choose photo. Here you can see many effects. So let's add old Spia color effect first. Now here you can see 2 sliders. First one is for intensity of the effect and second one is for saturation. You can just copy my adjustment, it will work on your image also. Let's add TV monitor effect also. To do that, simply go to effects from here and in photo option you can find TV monitor. Here keep the intensity about to -50%. And go to saturation and decrease it about to -80%. Once again go to adjustment here, find brightness and contrast. Let's decrease the contrast for fade effect. Decrease the contrast about to -90%. Now go to curve and reset the old adjustment using this icon first. Then choose this top one color and just follow me, or you can take a screenshot also. Now the process is very simple, so you have to just make some adjustment more. So there will be no voiceover. So see you in my next video.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.